Ever dreamt of transforming your basement into the ultimate personal retreat? Imagine a space where you can unwind, entertain, and showcase your passions, all within the comfort of your home. Whether you're envisioning a sleek modern lounge, a rustic hideaway, or a high-tech entertainment hub, your basement holds untapped potential. Let's explore how to turn that underutilized space into your dream cave.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the first steps in planning a basement cave transformation? Embarking on a basement cave project requires thoughtful planning to ensure the space meets your needs and desires. Firstly, assess the space. Consider the size, ceiling height, and existing features. This will help determine what functions the space can accommodate, such as a bar, theater, or gym. Secondly, define your purpose. Decide on the primary use of the space, be it relaxation, entertainment, or a combination. This clarity will guide your design choices. Lastly, set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to invest, keeping in mind potential costs for construction, furnishings, and decor. For more inspiration, explore our curated playlist in the description. What flooring options are best suited for basement caves? Choosing the right flooring ensures durability and complements the overall design of your basement cave. Vinyl planks are a popular choice due to their water resistance and variety of styles, mimicking hardwood or stone. Carpeting adds warmth and comfort, especially in lounging areas or home theaters. Opt for low-pile options for easier maintenance. Epoxy coatings provide a sleek, durable surface, ideal for game rooms or gyms, and come in various colors and finishes. Explore our curated playlist in the description for more flooring inspirations. How can you incorporate technology into your basement cave? Integrating technology enhances the functionality and entertainment value of your basement cave. Install a sound system or smart speakers to play music, setting the mood for gatherings. Voice-controlled devices can also assist in managing lighting or temperature. Consider adding a projector or large-screen TV for movie nights or gaming sessions, creating an immersive experience. Smart appliances like mini fridges or beverage dispensers can offer convenience and a modern touch to your setup. Don't miss out on future content. Subscribe to our channel for more tech integration ideas. What are some creative themes to consider for your basement cave? Theming your basement cave adds a unique touch and can make the space more engaging for guests. A sports bar theme can be achieved with memorabilia, multiple screens for games, and a stocked bar area. For a rustic lodge vibe, use wood accents, stone features, and warm lighting to create a cozy retreat. A modern minimalist theme focuses on clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek materials, offering a sophisticated and uncluttered look. For additional videos on themed basement caves, check the links provided in the description. How can you maximize storage in your basement cave? Efficient storage solutions are key to maintaining an organized and clutter-free basement cave. Utilize vertical space by installing open shelves or cabinets that reach up to the ceiling. This provides ample room for books, collectibles, or equipment. Incorporate multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with storage compartments, or built-in seating with hidden storage. Use wall-mounted racks or pegboards to organize tools, accessories, or gaming gear, keeping them accessible yet out of the way. Interested in the products featured in this video? Find them listed in the description below. What seating options work best for a basement cave? Choosing the right seating ensures comfort and complements the overall design of your basement cave. Recliners or theater seating are ideal for home theaters, providing comfort during long viewing sessions. Sectional sofas offer ample seating for gatherings and can be arranged to suit various layouts. Bar stools are perfect for bar areas, available in various styles and materials to match your decor. All the items showcased are available through the links in the description for your convenience. How can lighting enhance the ambiance of your basement cave? Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood and functionality of your basement cave. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, ensuring the space is welcoming. Consider recessed lighting or ceiling fixtures that distribute light evenly. Task lighting focuses on specific areas, such as a reading nook or bar. Under cabinet lights or pendant lamps can illuminate these zones effectively. Accent lighting adds drama and highlights decorative elements. LED strips under shelves or backlighting behind artwork can create a captivating visual effect. We'd love to hear your thoughts on lighting choices. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite lighting ideas for basement caves. Transforming your basement into a personalized cave is an exciting endeavor that combines functionality with personal expression. By considering essential elements, incorporating thoughtful design choices, and adding personal touches, you can create a space that's both practical and inviting. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, a well-designed basement cave enhances your home's ambiance and offers a dedicated spot for relaxation and enjoyment.